Unplugging from the Matrix, Understanding Off the Grid. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we'll be exploring the phrase, off the grid. It's a term that pops up in conversations about lifestyle, technology, and sometimes, adventure. So, if you're ready to disconnect and learn something new, let's dive in. The phrase, off the grid, originally referred to not being connected to the electrical grid, the network that supplies electricity. Over time, it has evolved to mean living without reliance on the usual public utilities, including water, gas, and electricity. In our modern world, going off the grid can also mean disconnecting from social media and not being reachable through usual means of communication like email or phone. It's often used to describe a desire for privacy or a break from the connected world. Off the grid has become a popular concept in books, movies, and TV shows. It's associated with a lifestyle that is self-sufficient, environmentally conscious, and sometimes a little rebellious. It's about choosing to live differently from the mainstream. When you want to use off the grid in conversation or writing, it's important to understand its connotation. For example, after retiring, my parents went off the grid and bought a cabin in the woods. Or, I'm feeling overwhelmed. I think I need to go off the grid for a while. Thank you for joining us to uncover the meaning of off the grid. Whether it's a lifestyle choice or a temporary escape, going off the grid is about finding your own path. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Until next time, take care and keep learning.